Good morning, everybody. Today I'm going to talk to you about a very important topic. The topic we're going to be talking about today is about our notice periods and what we should be doing. When we talk about notice periods, it's important that we remember that notice periods are things like we're not available to go to work. They should be given at a reasonable time. For example, 24 hours prior would be the preferred thing. Unless we were that sick that we couldn't actually attend work because of our illness and we had to really get there. But it's very important that we work as a team and remember the team is as strong as its weakest link. We cannot be fooling around, we cannot be just joking about our illnesses because if we are, when they're not shown we're the best person for the job. Remembering that when we do our work from here on in, we are going to be talking about our protocols and procedures. Our procedures is to do the best to help explain our participants' needs and their goals. Their goal is different to their needs. Their needs are going to be things that we need to do. Their goal is going to be something that they were trying to achieve. For example, trying to cut out as many accidents as possible is the goal. However, the steps you need to take are reminding them to go to the toilet more frequently and remembering every time they eat and drink, that is the time you should be doing that skill. The goal does not change just because they can achieve it or not. We need to show 3 or 4 different times that they've been able what's going on with that goal. And then we must upheaval it to the goal. The whole point of the dream is for them to achieve the goal, but we need to write about their goal. But we need to pinpoint exactly what are the issues that they've got to overcome and how they've overcome it. Because we have to acknowledge the achievement of the goal. If we cannot achieve the goal, then we cannot help them actually with their steps. Remembering there are a lot of steps that you need to take in order to become clearer with the goal and the dream. The dream cannot always outrun the goal. The goal needs to be explained really well and it needs to be documented. We just can't give without documenting. We need to be clear, we need to be precise, and we need to be thorough. In being thorough, we give ourselves and the participant more chances. But in saying that, when we do writing case notes, we are giving ourselves and the whole inspiration of the goal to the participant and their family. We're being clearer in our explanation to the NDIS, and to our bosses about the goal and the client's needs. We have to protocol them out. Needs, goals, wants, and dreams. Well, their dream is to become independent in that goal, but they may not be able to achieve it. So we need to document exactly what is going on. So we make the document better. We make ourselves the better people for the ongoing funding. If it is a goal that we want to achieve, we need to be realistic in it. We need to prioritize how to assess them. We need to give them the time to practice the skill. But we need to remember the 2 different bases of opinion. The opinion of you is your opinion. You can't put your opinions into it. You have to put what is going on exactly there. For example, if they can feel their bowel or not. When they have no damage, it's assumed that we can safely say they cannot feel their bowel. Therefore, we need to make the priority of they cannot feel their bowel. So we need to toilet them regularly. We need to ask them to sit there for 5 to 10 minutes. And we should not be letting them sit there indefinite for over half an hour, because the more they sit there, and especially if they're pushing, they could cause hemorrhoids to come out of their bum. And we don't want this.